Have you ever wondered how those sleek, modern banking apps make their money? You know, the ones that seem to offer everything from free transfers to investment options? Well, today, we're diving into the world of Qonto, a popular business banking platform, to uncover their secret sauce. Imagine you're a startup founder, juggling a million things at once. You need a banking solution that's as flexible and efficient as your team. Qonto promises to be that solution. But how does it manage to offer all these great features without charging a fortune? Qonto's business model is built on a few key pillars. Subscription fees, this is the bread and butter of their revenue. Qonto offers different subscription plans tailored to businesses of varying sizes and needs. These plans come with a range of features, from basic transaction fees to advanced accounting tools. Transaction fees, while they offer free transfers between Qonto accounts, they do charge fees for transactions outside their network. This includes transfers to other banks, international payments, and card usage. Additional services, Qonto also provides a range of value-added services that can generate additional revenue. These include Qonto cards, issuing physical and virtual cards for business expenses. Qonto Invest, offering investment options through partnerships with financial institutions. Qonto Payroll, providing payroll management services. The value proposition. So, why do businesses choose Qonto over traditional banks? It's all about the value proposition. Qonto offers a seamless, digital experience, making it easy for businesses to manage their finances. They also provide a range of tools and features that can help businesses save time and money. The competition. Qonto is not alone in the business banking market. There are several other players, both established and emerging, vying for market share. However, Qonto has managed to carve out a niche for itself by focusing on simplicity, convenience, and a strong customer experience. The future of Qonto. As the business banking landscape continues to evolve, it will be interesting to see how Qonto adapts. They'll need to stay ahead of the competition by offering innovative products and services, while also ensuring that their business model remains sustainable. So, there you have it. Qonto's business model is based on a combination of subscription fees, transaction fees, and additional services. By providing a valuable solution to businesses, Qonto has managed to attract a growing customer base. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.